Kamarajar was popularly known among his friends and followers. He was born on 15th July 1903 in Visibati. He had his school at the center. He had depth knowledge in political science. He had it married and work for the people.